it's Sam from Raggedy Bits. I blog over at raggedybits.com, and today I'm working on this gorgeous sideboard, Art Deco sideboard for a lovely client of mine. We're just going to start off by sanding the piece back, and I'm going to use 80 grit sandpaper just to open up the pores of the wood so that it's got something to adhere to, the paint's got something to adhere to, because there's quite a few little spots here that have some water damage and whatnot. So let's get started. One thing I did forget to mention too is that Fusion also have another great product called Ultra Grip, which you can put onto high gloss surfaces that make the paint bond a little bit more, but I am just in this case just going to use my sander to sand it back to give it a nice open canvas to start working with. Okay, so this is the yummy Fusion heirloom that I'll be using on the drawer fronts, and then the rest of the piece will be painted in Champlain. So let's get painting. So now I'm just using the Champlain, and I'm just going to give that a nice first coat, and as you can see, because the pores of the wood are open now, it's adhering really nicely. So it's just a really lovely paint to work with. And it's up to you how you like to paint. Some people like to do it in long strokes, some people like to do it in short strokes. Whatever makes your painting easier for you. Okay, so now that's 2 coats of the heirloom, and I'm now going to distress the drawers together. just going to give the front of the drawers a wax. Because I've sanded it, I just like to give it a bit of a wax to make it pop, the colour pop again. So I just use a Chuck's cloth. You can use a brush, you can use whatever you know, you like, and I just wipe it over. Okay, so now that the cabinet's dry, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a sand just to distress the edges and the detail across the top here and around the drawers and things like that. Sorry, the drawer spaces and
here she is, all finished with her brand new look. For a full supply list and paints, head on over to my blog. I'll leave the link below. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to paint a farmhouse sideboard. I'm Sam from Raggedy Bits. Feel free to give me the thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for more fun furniture flips. Thank you so much for watching.